I said obtain relation between time period and frequency.
Okay.
So time period t, number of waves completed is 1.
Yes.
So in 1 second it will be 1 by t.
Hmm.
But number of waves completed in 1 second is called as what? Frequency.
Hmm.
So frequency is 1 by t. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Not done, sir.
See. Sudhanshu, in school, teacher has reached till what?
Sir has completed a B also.
Full completed. B also.
Yes, sir.
Bapre. They are, I think, on bullet train.
Sir, he has even given us
Sir,
some numericals.
sound is completed in my class.
And sound आवाज ही नहीं आया ना? Sound complete हो गया लेकिन आवाज नहीं आया.
Sir, he has even given us a numerical homework, odd sums.
Okay.
Little bit confusion is there with the formula.
We'll manage. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Waiting. See, tomorrow morning you all are not free. Tomorrow morning before 10:30.
No, sir.
No.
School.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Very important note write down. Very, very important. First, frequency does not depends on amplitude or medium. It depends upon frequency of source. Return to point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Frequency in air is same as frequency in water or different?
Same.
Same.
Same. So if they give you multiple choice question, in air frequency is 10, what will be frequency in water? What will say?
10 only.
Yes, please write down.
10.
Correct. This all will come in standard 11th, 12th also.
Done, sir.
Done?
Done, sir.
Fourth, wavelength definition. Wavelength. Now, length means distance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this
Yes.
one transverse wave?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular.
Particles are perpendicular. This is direction of motion. one wave is complete in time, that time is called as what? Time period.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And distance is called as wavelength. एक wave का length is wavelength. So there are three different ways in which you can define this. First one I am telling. Distance traveled by the wave in one time period. Distance traveled by the wave in one time period. Correct?
Yes.
Or I can say distance between consecutive crest is one wavelength. Crest starts from here. This is second crest. So consecutive crest ka beech ka length is called wavelength. Consecutive trough is also called as wavelength. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
One crest, one trough. That distance is also called wavelength. One crest and one trough. That means consecutive crest.
Yes.
चलो एक मिनट वापस समझाता हूँ पूरा. Wavelength. What is basic definition? It is distance traveled by wave in one time period of vibration of particle of medium. It is distance traveled by wave in one time period of vibration of particle of medium. Or you can say the distance traveled by the wave in one time period of vibration of particle of medium is called as wave length. Write down. It is denoted by letter inverted y जैसा है, read as lambda.
Lambda.
No, not limboda, lambda. You will say limboda, lambda. Because it is length, so it's SI. Unit is meter, denoted by M. Its value depends on medium. Its value depends upon medium in which it travels. Its value depends on medium in which it travels.
Done, sir.
Yes, everybody is done.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Please copy.
Done, sir.
You can write first definition, but if they say for longitudinal wave, define wavelength, then we'll write like this. In longitudinal wave, the distance between two consecutive compressions or two consecutive rarefactions is called as wavelength. In transverse waves, the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs is called as wavelength. Right.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask now.
Sir, the distance between compressions is less than the distance between rarefaction, no? Because
No. They are equispaced.
then why they are called compression and rarefaction if they are equispaced?
I will just show you. Everybody has written this.
No, sir, I'm
No, sir.
writing.
It is not consecutive compressions we are saying. No, I will just explain you what it is.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Suppose I start from this layer of liquid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is ideal case, okay? When longitudinal wave travels, तो suppose इधर ये सब पार्टिकल इधर ऐसा नजदीक नजदीक आ गए, फिर ये इधर दूर दूर हो गया, 5 तक, 3 और 4 के बीच में नजदीक आ गए, फिर नजदीक आ गया 5 और 6, फिर दूर चला गया. मतलब ये इसके बीच में डिस्टेंस सेम है ना, ऐसा है ना ये.
Yes.
So that is that, not between two individual. ये compression,
Yes, sir.
फिर इधर rarefaction, फिर इधर compression, फिर rarefaction. So ये compression, rarefaction का बीच का gap will be same. That is the meaning.
Understood, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Now what is wave velocity? Wave velocity. What is meaning of only velocity? Displace.
Speed at which something.
Keval say, what is velocity?
The rate of displacement.
Correct.
Rate
Rate
of
of
change of
displacement. And rate of distance covered is called as what? Speed.
Speed.
Because wave will follow one direction. तो इसका speed और velocity एक ही रहने वाला है. मतलब it follows one sequence. It will not go like this, like this, like this. ना? So here whether you say wave speed or wave velocity it is same. Because direction is same every time. That is why we can say. So the distance traveled. The distance traveled by a wave in 1 second, because distance covered per second means every time. If suppose speed is 5 meter per second means what? 5 meter in 1 second.
Yes.
So distance traveled by wave in 1 second is called as wave velocity or wave speed. Okay. Follow?
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Very important. Expect. See, particles are by this way vibrating. है ना? ये crest.
Yes, sir.
फिर ऐसा बनेगा ना. Suppose I do like this. So these are particle vibrating like this.
Yes.
We are telling speed of wave. तो ये वेव आगे जा रहा है उसका बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. मतलब एनर्जी जिससे आगे जा रहा है ना हम लोग उसका बात कर रहे हैं. नॉट द पार्टिकल ऐसा वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं. वो दोनों अलग अलग है.
Okay, sir.
So when I say
Sir,
velocity
I
of
did not
wave,
understand.
I'm not
I
talking
didn't
velocity of
understand.
particle. This is wave going forward.
Hmm.
So wave is traveling forward like this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is particle vibrating, no?
Yes.
They are at 90 degree.
Yes.
Yes.
So if wave velocity is 300, that doesn't mean particle velocity is 300. Are you understanding meaning?
300
sir.
meters it travels in
अगर
1
इसका
second.
स्पीड 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड है तो पार्टिकल का थोड़ी 300, वो कुछ अलग रहेगा.
हाँ sir.
Oh.
This is meaning of wave velocity, means not the particle, they are two different, but time is same, time period. जब ये एक वेव खत्म होएगा 2 सेकंड के बाद, तो पार्टिकल का वाइब्रेशन भी 2 सेकंड के बाद खत्म होएगा. इन पार्टिकल कैसा जा रहा है, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे आएगा, मतलब इसका स्पीड कम ज्यादा नॉन यूनिफॉर्म है. ठीक है,
Yes.
Okay, sir.
मतलब डिस्टेंस वही कवर कर लिया उसने, लेकिन एक बार फास्ट एक बार स्लो, एक बार फास्ट एक बार स्लो, लेकिन अपना वेव एक सरीका चल रहा है. नहीं समझ में आया लगता है.
Sir नहीं समझ.
मुझे इधर से जाना है वीटी, मैं एक स्पीड में जा रहा हूँ 10 का स्पीड से, आराम से 1 घंटे में पहुंचा. मेरा दूसरा फ्रेंड पहला भागता है, फिर रेस्ट करता है, फिर भागता है, फिर रेस्ट करता है, तो मेरा स्पीड और उसका स्पीड सेम है क्या?
नहीं sir.
नहीं. इवन दो वी रीच्ड एट सेम टाइम. मतलब पार्टिकल वाइब्रेट्स अप, कम्स डाउन इन 2 सेकेंड, तो एक वेव आगे जाएगा 2 सेकेंड में ही, लेकिन इसका स्पीड अलग है ना कंपेयर टू दिस. नहीं समझ?
Yes sir.
यस, एवरीबॉडी फॉलो नाउ.
हाँ,
Now
sir.
followed.
केवल, तरुण.
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Velocity of particle of the medium and velocity of wave, are they same or different?
Different.
Different.
Different. But time taken by particle to complete one
Same.
vibration and to complete one wave is same. This much you please remember every time.
Yes sir.
Particle of wave and particle are different. Actually, when we say wave is traveling, that means energy is getting transferred, na?
Yes.
What will be the SI unit of this velocity or speed?
Meter per second.
Correct. Its SI unit is meter per second. Next line you will write the wave velocity and particle velocities are different. This they can ask in true or false or in MCQ. Wave velocity and particle velocity are different. Time period, is it same or different?
Same.
Same. Frequency is same or different?
Same.
Because frequency time period same है ऐसे. It is different in different medium. Who is different in different medium?
Wave.
Wave velocity.
It is different in different medium. What about frequency?
Same in all media.
Same in all medium. What about wavelength?
Changes in media.
Changes in medium. Very good. So have you done this? अभी आपको displacement time
Yes,
graph.
sir.
Done, sir.
Yes. Displacement time graph. See, whenever we are drawing graph, that means we study nature of variation. Nature of variation मतलब कैसा चेंज होता है कोई चीज, जिसके बारे में स्टडी करना है. दैट शुड बी अलोंग वाई एक्सिस. तो मुझे चेक करना है डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम के हिसाब से कैसा चेंज होगा. मतलब 1 सेकंड में कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट, 2 सेकंड में कितना, 3 सेकंड में कितना. तो विच शुड बी टेकन अलोंग वाई एक्सिस?
Can you repeat?
I said whichever quantity I have to study, that quantity is taken along y axis. I have to study time displacement ka change in different time. So which quantity I should take on y axis?
Displacement.
Yes, and time on which axis?
X-axis.
X-axis.
Suppose I have to study your behavior of Mark in different tests. So Mark I should take on which axis?
Y-axis.
Y axis.
Y-axis.
And test अलग अलग मैंने कौन? X axis.
X-axis.
तो अगस्त महीने में इतना मार्क मिला, दिवाली में बहुत कम मिला, इधर आजादी मिला बहुत मार्क मिल गया, इधर हॉलीडे था कम मिला। तो नेचर समझ गया ना, आजादी मिलेगा तो ज्यादा मार्क मिलेगा।
Yes, sir.
नॉट फॉलोड मीनिंग?
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Okay. So I want to study displacement time graph. Displacement should be along y-axis and time should be along x-axis. X and y-axis are perpendicular to each other.
Yes.
Yes.
This is y-axis. X-axis perpendicular to each other. This is time denoted by t. And here it is displacement. When time is 0, what is displacement? Is it 0?
Yes.
And when time is 1/4, then it will be maximum. See, particle starts from here. When it goes to this extreme end, time taken is 1/4. I had explained you in pendulum. फिर इधर आया तो टाइम हाफ होता है ना t/2 का,
Yes,
इधर
sir.
गया तो 3t/4, फिर वापस आया तो एक टाइम पीरियड कंप्लीट ना.
Yes.
So this is for 0, ये 1/4 टाइम पीरियड, ये हाफ टाइम पीरियड, ये 3 टाइम/4 और ये एक कंप्लीट टाइम पीरियड. फॉलोड मीनिंग?
Followed, sir.
0 पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0, t/4 पे इट इज मैक्सिमम. What is this maximum called as? Amplitude. Again t/2 पे 0 पे आ गया ना ये मीन पे,
Yes.
and at 3t/4 it will be negative extreme. Not understood?
Samjha.
And 0. When I join this is my wave traveling, and this is nature of displacement. Here it is a, here also it is a, but in downward direction. And time taken to complete one wave is called as what? Time period. That only I have written na, 0 to t.
Yes, sir.
Copy.
Sir, what have you written before T in the graph?
Before t,
After T2.
3t/4,
Okay.
0, 1t/4, 2t/4 means t/2, 3t/4 and t. This I have written. That means I have divided time period into 4 parts. 1/4
Okay.
of time, 2/1/4, 3/1/4, 4/1/4. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाता है ना इधर, इससे ऐसा आता है t/4, t/2, 3t/4 t.
Sir, not done.
Understand and do. See, if you read textbook, you can by heart and get the full mark, but understanding is important. ये बुक में थोड़ी बोला है 0t/4, ये मैंने समझाया.
Done, sir.
Have you ever watched football matches?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
तो कभी कभी लोग वेव बनाते हैं ना, ऑडियंस है ना,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
और हम
sir.
लोग को
वो
लगता है
नहीं
सब
देखा.
तो, कि अरे बहुत बार होता है ना सब मैच में भी, सब लोग अपना हाथ ऐसा ऊपर करते हैं, ऐसा लगता है एक वेव जा रहा
Cheer
है.
करने के लिए.
हाँ, फॉर चीयर अप. तो हैव यू सीन दिस एनी टाइम?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये ऑडियंस को नहीं देखा.
तो आप घर में ऐसा चेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे को?
नहीं.
नहीं, कभी कभी करते हैं ना हम लोग. सो दैट मीन्स क्या है, देखो मीनिंग, मतलब है हर पार्टिकल, ऑल पार्टिकल विल मूव अप, कम डाउन, गो डाउन, सब ऑल पार्टिकल, बट डिफरेंट टाइम पे दे आर डिफरेंट. Suppose one particle is here, second particle is here, third particle is here, but when this comes down, this will move up. Not followed?
No.
No, sir.
थोड़ा समझ, थोड़ा आपको अच्छे से समझाता हूँ. और एक सेकेंड ना, फोन किया जरा देखो। हेलो हेलो, क्या Karan, I said I have continuous lecture from morning 7 to late night 10. So I will just store the number. Whenever I get time, I will call. See. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 particles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 particles are there. Huh? If disturbance comes from here, who will get disturbed first?
Number 1.
1.
अरे 2 मत करो, हाँ 1, नंबर 1। नंबर 1 को डिस्टर्बेंस मिला तो उसको एनर्जी मिलेगा ना।
हाँ सर।
एनर्जी मिलेगा तो ये ऊपर 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 जाके ग्रेविटी उसको नीचे नीचे खींच रहा है ना, किधर तो रुक जाएगा ना फिर से।
हाँ.
So it will go up to extreme end and stop, not followed.
So it won't come
Followed.
down.
Afterwards it will come down,
Okay.
but at certain instant it will go up up up, stop and then come down 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 down.
Yeah.
तो जब ये ऊपर जा रहा था तो सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ चुपचाप बैठेंगे क्या?
No, they're also traveling.
बिकॉज ये क्या बोलेगा, फर्स्ट वाला सेकंड को, सेकंड फर्स्ट के बीच में अट्रैक्शन है ना थोड़ा
हाँ
स्ट्रॉन्ग,
सर।
तो ये क्या बोलेगा, सेकंड वाला तुसी ना जाओ, तुसी ना जाओ, फर्स्ट वाला क्या बोलेगा, तुसी भी आ जाओ। तो ये इसको भी खींचेगा, इसको भी खींचेगा, टिल ऑल एनर्जी ट्रांसफर। तो ऐसा वेव आ गया ना 1/4।
हाँ सर।
समझा?
So it will be decreasing.
हाँ, सबको एनर्जी सेम नहीं मिलेगा ना।
Okay.
ये पास ऑन करते रहेगा ना, जब इसका पूरा पेट भर गया तभी ये भरेगा ना पेट इसका। तो
Yes.
दिस इज स्टिल राइजिंग, दिस इज स्टिल राइजिंग, इसको जस्ट डिस्टर्बेंस मिला। अभी देखो क्या होएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, जब इसको पूरा एनर्जी खत्म तो ये नीचे 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 गिराएगा ना, अभी पोटेंशियल विल बिकम काइनेटिक, नीचे 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 गिर के सपोज
Yes,
इधर आ गया। लेकिन ये फोर्थ वाला जो ऊपर जाने का तैयारी में था, ये एकदम एक्सट्रीम पे पहुंचेगा ना,
Yeah.
और ये अपना बाजू वाले को खींच लेगा ना, इसको भी थोड़ा थोड़ा। तो दिस वे वेव इज फॉर्म, दिस वे, वेयर दिस इज एट द बॉटम। ये ऊपर जाके अभी तक पूरा बॉटम में नहीं आया क्योंकि देर से स्टार्ट किया ना मोशन।
यस
थोड़ा
सर।
देर से स्टार्ट किया, ये एक्सट्रीम पे पहुंचा, ये जस्ट ऊपर जाने वाला है, ये ऊपर जाने वाला है, इसको जस्ट मिला। अभी ये इधर रेस्ट पे नहीं आएगा, इसका तो स्पीड बढ़ गया ना नीचे आया तो। एक मैं स्टोन को ड्रॉप
Yes.
करता हूं नीचे, स्पीड विल इंक्रीज ना।
यस सर।
तो ये
Acceleration.
हाँ, ड्यू टू एक्सेलरेशन, सो दिस विल मूव डाउनवर्ड। जैसे ही नीचे आया तो एक्सेलरेशन उसको टांग अड़ाएगा, ऊपर खींचने का कोशिश करेगा। एक स्टेप आएगा जब ये रेस्ट पे आएगा, जब ये इधर आया रेस्ट पे फर्स्ट वन, देन अवर फोर्थ वाला टॉप से इधर बॉटम पे गिरेगा, और जिसको जस्ट डिस्टर्बेंस मिला था ना सेवेंथ वाला, ऊपर पहुंच जाएगा। मतलब ऐसा हो गया ना वेव इतना,
Yes,
दिस इज
sir.
स्टिल नॉट रीच, स्टिल नॉट रीच, दिस इज स्टिल नॉट रीच डाउन, ऐसा ना।
Yes.
3/4 वेव आई गॉट, करेक्ट और नॉट? इतना
Correct,
Yes.
sir.
ये बाजू वाले को जस्ट डिस्टर्ब करेगा ऐसे। फिर जब इसका एनर्जी खत्म तो इसको ऊपर खींचेगा ना पार्टिकल फिर से, बिकॉज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन है।
Yes.
So when one reaches here and in upward direction, then fourth wala particle will come in bottom, and this seventh wala particle will come at this position here, and 12th wala particle will reach to the top. So this way you will get one wave.
Yes, sir.
So every particle will complete na this type of motion. फिर
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
sir.
में क्या होएगा, ये ऊपर हो जाएगा, वेव ऐसा आगे चला जाएगा ना। तो ऑल विल कंप्लीट और नॉट वाइब्रेशन,
Yes, sir.
या खाली एक ही वाइब्रेट होएगा, ये करेगा ही नहीं।
All will do it.
All are vibrating. So can I say all particle will vibrate? खाली
Yes,
आगे
sir.
पीछे होएगा। Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes.
चलो,
Yes, sir.
now next, ये पूछेंगे नहीं, लेकिन जरा समझना कि every particle is vibrating with same amplitude। नहीं तो आपको लगेगा सर खाली यही मैक्सिमम है क्या, इसका नहीं होगा, इसका भी होएगा। ये जब ये आगे जाएगा तो जब ये ऐसा वेव बनेगा तो ये फिर नीचे आएगा, ये इधर आएगा, फिर ये थोड़ी देर के बाद ऊपर जाएगा, तो ये नीचे ऊपर ऐसा वाइब्रेट करेगा। So displacement and distance graph.
सर बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डिस्टेंस में सिर्फ डायरेक्शन का फर्क है ना?
एक पार्टिकल का है और एक वेव का है. Displacement
Oh,
of particle we are talking, distance of wave. Okay.
understood.
So this is displacement I have to study at different distance. So this is distance denoted by x, and this is displacement along y-axis. Because wave is traveling in horizontal direction, but particle is vibrating in vertical. Again, when zero, distance from the start source is zero, then no vibration. फिर धीरे धीरे आगे जाएगा ना, ये भी ऐसा.
हाँ सर.
So if I draw this diagram, what is distance covered by one wave called as?
Wavelength.
Wavelength. So 0, maximum, 0, negative maximum, and then it will move ahead. What is one wave ka distance called?
Wavelength.
Wavelength. So from one extreme end to another extreme end consecutive, this is denoted as lambda, called as wavelength. Followed?
Followed.
Even this is wavelength, one crest and one trough. Pakka followed?
Yes sir.
If I take displacement time graph, then one wave का मुझे time मिलता है. Displacement and distance graph, one wave का distance मिलता है. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
चलो, draw it. Teacher did all this?
हाँ सर. सर बट उसमें से टाइम ग्राफ होमवर्क में दिया था और डिस्टेंस ग्राफ एक्सप्लेन किया था.
पर लेकिन बताया क्या डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट किस चीज का है?
हाँ सर.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट किसका है? पार्टिकल का. और डिस्टेंस
डिस्प्लेसमेंट पार्टिकल्स का है.
और डिस्टेंस किसका है?
वेव का.
दोनों सेम होएगा क्या एट सेम टाइम पे?
टाइम तो सेम ही.
टाइम सेम होएगा लेकिन डिस्टेंस सेम होगा क्या? नहीं, क्योंकि एक
No, sir.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर रहा है और एक डिस्टेंस कर रहा है. डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट नॉट नेसेसरी एवरी टाइम दे विल बी सेम.
Yes sir.
What about time? Will it be same?
Yes.
Speed will be same? No,
No.
because one is wave, other is particle. दोनों का अलग अलग स्पीड होता है. Graph they can ask you in the exam for 2 marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
What is A called as?
Amplitude.
Very good. Have you completed now?
Yes, sir.
Just a second sir.
Just a second. Done, sir.
Obtain relation between velocity, comma frequency, comma wavelength. Obtain relation between velocity, frequency, and wavelength. Let in time period capital T distance covered by, or in time period capital T distance covered by wave is what? Is it wavelength?
Wavelength.
Wavelength lambda. Let v be the velocity of wave. V be the velocity of wave. What is formula for speed?
Speed is equal to distance upon
Distance upon time.
Distance upon time.
Lambda upon t.
When time is t, distance is lambda, speed is v. What is 1 upon t called as?
frequency.
1 upon t is denoted by f, called as frequency. So can I say v is f lambda?
Yes, sir.
That means what is speed equals to? Speed of wave equal to frequency into wavelength. I hope you all followed.
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 Right.
Yes, sir.
Write down. So always speed or wave velocity is frequency into wavelength.
Done, sir.
Sir, not done.
Done, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
not done.
Yes, done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
I'm doing few numericals based on this. Come to
Okay.
page number 183. Exercise 8A numericals.
Sir, 8A full done.
No. Speed of
Except
sound and medium and factors on which speed depends is remaining.
oh.
This is first part which I have done so far. So many numericals are there, na? So we'll mix it. Theory, numerical, theory, numerical. And which other chapter started in Billabong?
No, sir, no chapter started.
But after this, they will start with light, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, they are focusing on energy and we are focusing on motion.
Ah, yes. So when I
Motion
start,
of light particles and motion of laws of motion and motion in one dimension.
yes. So cable for you, it will be revision, that light once again.
And the AB part also we have to learn that.
Yes. So I will complete full once
Hmm.
again for you.
Sir, it may be there for exam. No, light chapter is there for exam.
So it will be
Sure.
revision, na, for you.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, done.
C part will be revision.
Very good. Can you read the first sum, Keval?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm searching. 2 minutes.
Can I?
Okay, Sudhanshu, read.
The heart of a man beats 75 times a minute. What is its frequency and time period?
मतलब ये आदमी जिंदा है क्या टपक गया?
जिंदा है.
जिंदा है, हार्ट बीट कर रहा है उसका. How many times?
75 times a minute.
What you want?
Frequency and time period.
Frequency means what? Number of times in 1 second.
Yes.
So frequency means number of times in how many second?
1 second.
So 75 times in 1 minute. I will divide by 60 or not?
Yes.
1 minute means 60 second.
Yes, sir.
Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
So 75 upon 60. Do you know table of 15?
Yes,
15 5 are 75,
and
15
15
4 are
fours are
60.
60.
What is 5 by 4? Is it 1.25?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Either I can write per second or I can write hertz. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is time period?
1 by F.
1 by f. And what is f?
1.25.
Or can I say 4 by 5? इसका उल्टा
Yes, sir.
4 by 5 means 0.8.
Yes.
Followed or not?
Followed, sir.
Do.
Done, sir.
No, not.
In Diwali, I will give you 5 days holiday.
Wow.
Yeah.
सर लेकिन 7 days हॉलीडे एक वीक में मिलता है.
आपको
नहीं,
Sunday
5
से
days.
चलो आप क्या दिलदार है मैं एक वीक.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Second one. Time period of simple pendulum is 2 seconds. ये कौन सा pendulum है यार? Time period is 2 seconds.
Simple pendulum.
तो इसके पहले क्या complicated था? ये पेंडुलम का कुछ तो नाम है, ये सिंपल पेंडुलम का क्या नाम है पढ़ा था मैंने.
Seconds pendulum.
हाँ, तो एक्चुअली सेकंड पेंडुलम है. फाइंड इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. व्हाट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी? 1 upon time, so 1 upon 2, 0.5 hertz, not for load.
Follow.
Actually physics is very simple, no?
Yes.
Yes, Tarun.
Yes, sir. I've studied.
So when you understand, then it is very simple.
Yes.
हाँ, स्टडी तो क्या आप समझ जाएंगे तो समझ में आएगा तो
Yeah.
क्या आता है ना हेड.
समझ जाएगा तो मजा आएगा.
हाँ, समझ गया जाएगा तो मजा आएगा. 10th admission I will start from August first week. You can tell your friends don't take admission anywhere before
Okay,
I.
sir.
हाँ, बोला सर रुको, हम एक सर आने वाला है उसके इधर ही लेंगे आपको नेट सब एडमिशन.
सर 10th का तो अभी बहुत टाइम है, अगस्त में.
हाँ, अगस्त से चालू हो जाता है. Because we have to form the batches ना.
हाँ सर, मम्मी को बोल दूंगा.
I will send, don't worry. See, we don't take many students. I will form in 10th again school wise batch ना.
ओके सर.
See, separation between two consecutive crests in a transverse wave is 100 meter. What is this two consecutive crest का separation called as?
वेवलेंथ.
Wavelength.
Very good, very good. मतलब lambda ना.
Yes, sir. Lambda.
यस सर, लैम्बडा.
Wave velocity is 20. लो कर लो बात, बोला frequency. What is V? Is it F lambda?
Yes, sir.
So F is V by lambda.
Yes.
V is 20, lambda is 100. 110 cancel. Is it 0.2?
Yes, sir.
But 0.2 क्या elephant लिखो?
नहीं sir, 0.2 hertz.
हर्ट्ज
Hertz.
और पर सेकंड,
0.2 hertz, yes. और per second.
यानी कि 5 सेकंड.
हाँ. मामला एक्चुअली गंभीर है. अंदर कुछ नहीं है, मामला गंभीर है. जब तक स्टेबल नहीं होते ना, दूसरा एमएलए जब तक ना आते तब तक बड़े लोग ना बच पाए बहुत बार. इतने बड़ी हो रही, का नाम था नंबर स्मिता पाटिल, वो तो समझा बच्चा का प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है.
Done, sir.
थोड़ा मुंह सूज गया ना. सुबह
डन सर.
आज तक बच गया, गाँव रहते बिना बच को उसे तुझसे भी रहे, चाची के मदद मिल गया.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one. A longitudinal wave travels at speed of 0.3. Which alpha you will take to write speed? Which alphabet?
V.
V is
V.
0.3 meter per second. And frequency means F. 20 hertz. Find the separation between two consecutive compression.
Means wavelength.
Wavelength. What is formula for speed? F lambda.
Yes, sir.
So can I say lambda is V by F?
Yes.
V is 0.3, F is 20.
Yes, sir. 30
How
by
to-
200.
3 by 200.
Oh, sorry.
Sudhanshu. So this is nothing but 3 upon 2 into 100. I am writing 10 raised to 2. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
3 upon 2 is 1.5. Plus 2 goes up in indices. It is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Or can I say 1.5 centimeter?
Yes.
Because meter to centimeter we multiply by 100. So minus 2 plus 2 will become 10 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 means 1 na, in indices.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Solve now.
Done, sir.
Not done. Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what have you written in the end?
Where?
Yes, yes, sir, that only. To the right.
This one?
Yeah.
No, I just explained now why it minus 2.
Derivation.
Okay, so we don't have to write that.
No,
right?
no, you don't. You don't have to. That's why I have
Okay, sir.
cancelled. Na? Fair. A source of wave produces 40 crest and 40 trough. My God. 40 crest, 40 trough in 0.4 second. Find what is frequency. So 40 crest, 40 trough means what? 40 wave, na?
Yes, sir. Wavelength.
No, 40 crests and 40 trough. One crest, one trough means one wave, na? So 40 crest, 40 trough means how many waves?
40.
40 wave.
40 waves. 40 ne, 40 waves. Ah.
Eh,
40 waves in 0.4 second. So what is frequency? Therefore 40 waves correspond to 0.4 second or not? So one wave will correspond to
0.4 upon 40.
yes. What is this called as time period na? One wave
Yes.
ka time is called time period. So time period is 0.4 upon 40. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So what is frequency? 1 upon time period means ulta or not?
Sir,
Yes.
time period is 1 upon 100 seconds.
Time period is 1 upon 100 second.
So frequency 100 hertz.
हाँ तो I didn't found हमें इससे डायरेक्ट करना हो ना.
Okay.
This way also we can do no. So now it is 400 upon 4. That means 100. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Again say 40 crest, 40 trough means what? 40 wave.
Yes.
40 wave in how much time? 0.4.
Yes, sir.
So one wave is 0.4 upon 40.
Correct.
Therefore I got time period. उसका
Yes.
उल्टा frequency. Yes, Tarun. Can you feel this properly?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. See, rather than biting, understand, have the feel factor. 40 wave in 0.4, one wave divided by 40. तो एक wave का मिलेगा ना अपने को हमेशा.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like
Done,
100
sir.
book.
100 waves per second.
हाँ, 100 waves are formed per second. Yes.
Done, sir.
So we can directly do like cross multiplication, no? 40
we-
waves, 0.4 second. So 1 second, how many waves? So 100.
Yes, you can do 1 second how many waves. Correct. It is one and the same thing. I first found time taken for one wave and then took reciprocal. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Sixth one. An observer A fires gun and another observer B at distance 165 meter away from A hears its sound. मतलब B को कान है क्या?
हाँ सर.
तभी सुना ना, कितने देर के बाद सुना?
1650 meter away.
देर बाद यानी 5 सेकंड. 1650 upon 330.
No, they've given कितना देर के बाद नहीं, वही पूछा है ना.
नहीं सर, वही पूछा है.
A and B are at distance of 1650 meter. He fires the gun. गन में से क्या निकलेगा? बुलेट.
बुलेट.
हाँ.
आवाज नहीं आएगा क्या? साइलेंसर लगा है.
जोरदार का आवाज आएगा.
बुलेट में से आवाज आए, आवाज इसका पास गया. कितने देर के बाद सुना वो? That they want. What is
5
formula for
सेकंड.
speed of sound in air? Distance upon time or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So can I say time is distance upon speed? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
How much
Yes,
is the
sir.
distance? 1650.
1650.
What is the speed of sound?
330 meter per second.
है कोई माइक लाल जिसको 33 का टेबल मालूम है?
33.5.
33 5s are 165. So
हाँ,
33 50s are
or if you don't
165.
know, 11 into 3 33, 11 into 1 11, remainder 5, 11 into 5 55. 5 second, not understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
So today we'll stop here. Sunday test, whatever I have completed till today from beginning, and lecture 9 to 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
9 to 10. Okay,
मॉर्निंग है, इवनिंग नहीं, नहीं तो पोपट हो जाएगा. हाँ, नहीं तो मैं इधर 9 बजे बैठूंगा, इतना करोड़ों का नींद बर्बाद करके आप 9 बजे रात को आएंगे. मॉर्निंग. हाँ, मॉर्निंग है. मॉर्निंग. Sudhanshu, what time you get up on Sunday?
Sir, I usually get up at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, but I'll get up.
Get up at 9. नहा धो के नहीं बैठा तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, उस दिन वीडियो ऑन करने नहीं बोलता हूँ फिर, नहीं तो सब लोग अपना अपना नींद में रहेंगे सब.
नहीं
कोई
सर,
तो-
बट मैं नहा के बैठता हूँ.
कोई चद्दर के अंदर 2 होल बना के देखेंगे सब. कोई कनेक्ट होके मम्मी को बोलेंगे सर का लेक्चर रामायण चालू होने दो, मुझे 10 बजे उठाना. I will ask her in between. Then don't get connected and be anywhere else. And Tarun, don't go for washroom, huh?
Sir, I did not go for washroom.